Things are falling out of place so that things can fall into place. I'm sorry that if every way you look and every turn that you make and everything that you're doing, like nothing just seems to go right. And it's just like, man, like when can I catch a break? Like, why me? Why me? Why me? I'm so sorry that you are going through that. And I've been in a season where it's like, why me? Like, why is this happening to me? Why does nothing seem to be going right? I want to say, I'm sorry. And a lot of times we have to experience those things because things are things have to fall out for things to fall in place. There are some things that God has to remove. There are some things that God has to break up. There are some things that God has to separate you from. There are some doors that God needs to close in order for you to start walking into the doors that He has opened for you. And He knows that as long as you continue to walk in comfortability, you are never going to step outside of your comfort zone. You are never going to do the things that He has called you to do. So He got to shake up some things, and He got to maneuver some things around so that He can get your attention and, allow you to see that it's so much greater than what you think you are, experiencing right now. But just know that trouble doesn't last always and that you will come out on the other side of this. Be blessed, be patient, stay strong, and know that God is working it out. I love y'all. Take care. Have a good day.